Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in various bodily functions, particularly in maintaining bone health and supporting the immune system. It is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because the body produces it in response to sunlight exposure. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to numerous health issues that can significantly impact your overall well-being. Here's a closer look at what happens to your body when you don't get enough vitamin D. Bone health. One of the most critical effects of vitamin D deficiency is its impact on bone health. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption in the gut. Without adequate vitamin D, your body struggles to absorb calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones. This deficiency can lead to conditions such as osteomalacia in adults and rickets in children, both of which result in weakened bones, increased pain, and a higher risk of fractures. Over time, prolonged deficiency can contribute to osteoporosis, a condition characterized by brittle bones that are more susceptible to breaks. Muscle weakness. Vitamin D is also important for muscle function. A lack of vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness and an increased risk of falls, particularly in older adults. Research indicates that vitamin D deficiency can impair muscle strength and function, leading to difficulties in performing daily activities. This weakness can significantly affect mobility and independence, especially among the elderly. Immune system function. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. It helps regulate immune responses and enhances the body's ability to fight off infections. A deficiency in vitamin D can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses such as colds, flu, and other infections. Some studies have even suggested a link between low vitamin D levels and an increased risk of autoimmune diseases. Mood and mental health. Emerging research has shown that vitamin D may also have an impact on mood and mental health. Some studies have indicated a correlation between low vitamin D levels and an increased risk of depression and anxiety. While the exact mechanism is still being studied, it is believed that vitamin D may influence the production of neurotransmitters and mood-regulating hormones. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels may help improve overall mental well-being. Cardiovascular health. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Low levels of vitamin D may contribute to high blood pressure, heart disease, and other cardiovascular issues. Vitamin D helps regulate inflammation and supports the function of blood vessels, which are essential for maintaining heart health. Therefore, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin D is crucial for cardiovascular function. Conclusion. In summary, a lack of vitamin D can have widespread effects on your body, impacting bone health, muscle function, immune response, mood, and cardiovascular health. It is essential to ensure you receive sufficient vitamin D through sunlight exposure, diet, or supplements, especially if you have limited sun exposure or dietary restrictions. Foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. If you suspect you are not getting enough vitamin D, consider consulting a healthcare professional for evaluation and guidance. Maintaining optimal vitamin D levels is crucial for overall health and well-being, helping to prevent the negative effects associated with deficiency.